The universe is a vast, dark ocean, and comets are its cosmic travelers, icy wanderers from the solar system's edge. One such traveler is 3I Atlas, discovered by the Atlas Survey. More than a fleeting spectacle, 3I Atlas is a time capsule, carrying material from the dawn of our solar system. Its rare path from the distant Oort cloud brings it close to Earth and Mars, offering a glimpse into our origins. Comets like 3I Atlas have shaped worlds, delivering water and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Imagine, the water you drink may have once been part of a comet. But this time, 3I Atlas became something more, a tool for interplanetary communication. Scientists saw its trajectory as a unique opportunity, used the comet as a relay, bouncing a signal from Earth to Mars. This bold experiment could revolutionize how we communicate across the solar system, using natural objects as cosmic relays. The journey of 3I Atlas was about to intersect with humanity's in a spectacular way. How do you send a message across millions of kilometers of empty space? You need a powerful voice, a focused beam of radio waves. From a massive radio telescope, scientists aimed a coded signal at 3I Atlas. This wasn't just a hello, but a robust digital handshake telemetry, scientific queries, and a signature. We are humanity. The comet itself was a passive mirror, its icy nucleus and coma scattering the signal. Most of the energy would be lost, but a tiny fraction would bounce toward Mars. A cosmic bank shot. Success depended on precise calculations, the comet's position, speed, and reflective properties. The signal was encoded to stand out from cosmic noise, a digital rhythm, unmistakably artificial. It left Earth at light speed, bound for the icy surface of a passing comet, then onward to the red planet. This was a test of both technology and imagination. If it worked, it would prove we could use the universe itself as part of our communication network. The experiment was set. Now all that remained was to listen for an answer. The fate of the message, and perhaps much more, hung in the balance. After the signal was sent, silence filled the control room. The journey would take minutes, even at light speed. On Mars, rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity were programmed to listen for the echo, a message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. Scientists waited, eyes on screens filled with static, hoping for a whisper from home. Every calculation, every detail, was double-checked. Would the signal survive the journey and reflection? The wait was agonizing, a test of patience and trust in technology. If a rover received the signal, it would send confirmation back to Earth. Another long wait. The round-trip time was a stark reminder of the vastness of space. In that silence, the weight of distance was palpable. All they could do was wait for the universe to answer. Then it happened. A faint blip on the screen, a structured signal from Mars. Perseverance had received the message, bounced off 3I Atlas, and sent confirmation back. Relief and elation swept the control room. The experiment had worked. The returned data packet was intact, a cosmic postcard, proof of the relay's success. But then, something unexpected. Perseverance sent a second unplanned signal. This wasn't part of the experiment. Engineers checked the rover's code. No explanation. The rover had sent a message we didn't tell it to send. The implications were staggering. The excitement of success was instantly replaced by a profound mystery. Had something or someone used our technology to answer us? The silence in the room was now filled with shock and anticipation. Humanity stood on the edge of an unprecedented discovery. The new signal was simple, a sequence of pulses, binary code. Not random, but a repeating pattern. Scientists decoded it, the first dozen digits of pi, the universal mathematical constant. Pi is a language any intelligent civilization would recognize, a universal hello. The rover had no reason to transmit pi unprompted. A software glitch was unlikely. The data was too perfect, too intentional. It felt like a machine being used by something else. The scientific community was electrified. The most plausible explanation: something on Mars had taken control of Perseverance to send a message. We understand your language of mathematics. We are here. This was not just a response, it was intelligent contact. The quest to find life beyond Earth had just taken an unimaginable leap forward. The confirmation of an intelligent response from Mars changed everything. Missions to Mars were reimagined, now focused on communication and diplomacy. The 3I Atlas experiment became the blueprint for a solar system-wide network. Scientists sought new ways to maintain constant contact with Mars, building a cosmic internet. On Earth, the discovery fostered unity. Humanity found a common purpose. Old divisions faded in the face of a shared destiny. The greatest minds collaborated to understand the message and craft a reply. Every new piece of data from Mars was scrutinized like never before. The red planet became a puzzle, a promise, and a new frontier. The ripple effect of that single signal was reshaping our future. For centuries we wondered, are we alone? We searched distant stars, listening for signals from far-off civilizations. But the answer came from next door, Mars. The signal suggests life may be more common and resilient than we imagined. It forces us to reconsider the Fermi paradox. Maybe others were here all along, waiting for us to reach out. Perhaps they are quiet observers, waiting for emerging civilizations to mature. Our comet-bounced signal may have been the key that unlocked the door. We are not alone. We are part of a local community. The universe is suddenly less lonely, and the search for life is now a search for neighbors. The great silence has been broken. What comes next? We must go to Mars, not just with robots, but with people. The discovery of intelligence on Mars makes this journey urgent and essential. The solar system is now our backyard, a place to explore, understand, and perhaps settle. Communication with Mars is just the first step. Next, we'll build outposts, embassies for interplanetary diplomacy and discovery. We are at the dawn of a new age of exploration and interaction. The signal from Mars is a call to action, a reminder that exploration defines us. The journey to understand this intelligence will shape our future. Whatever we find, the journey has just begun. The cosmos has called, and we are ready to answer. The path to the stars is open.